Welcome to Network Communication Fundamentals. Blue Team professionals must understand how systems communicate, since almost every cyber attack involves the network. In this video, we'll explore packets, ports, protocols, DNS, HTTP/TTPS, and SSL/TLS encryption. A packet is a digital envelope carrying data across the network. It contains source info, destination info, protocol details, and the actual data, known as the payload. Analyzing packets is a core skill in network defense to detect suspicious activity. Network ports are logical communication channels, acting as digital doors for specific traffic types. Defenders monitor ports to detect unauthorized services and suspicious connections. Port scanning is a common initial step for attackers. Protocols are standardized rules defining how devices communicate. TCP is reliable and connection-oriented, guaranteeing delivery. UDP is fast with low overhead, used for streaming. HTTP/HTTPS manage web communication, with HTTPS adding TLS encryption. DNS, the domain name system, translates domain names like google.com into IP addresses. Attackers exploit DNS for command and control, malware beaconing, DNS tunneling for data exfiltration, and phishing. SOC teams closely monitor unusual DNS query patterns. HTTP sends data unencrypted over port 80, making it vulnerable. HTTPS uses port 443 and adds SSL/TLS encryption, protecting sensitive information. Defenders should treat any unexpected HTTP traffic as a security concern, as most modern websites use HTTPS. TLS, Transport Layer Security, is the modern successor to SSL. It encrypts data in transit. TLS ensures confidentiality, meaning only the intended recipient can read the data. Integrity, ensuring data is not altered, and authentication, verifying identities. Attackers also use encryption to hide malicious activity, creating a visibility gap. This includes malware over HTTPS and data exfiltration through encrypted channels. Defenders respond with SSL/TLS inspection, behavioral analysis, and network monitoring for anomalies. Network visibility is crucial across the attack lifecycle. Reconnaissance involves port scans. Exploitation includes suspicious payloads. Lateral movement features internal connections and credential abuse. Exfiltration utilizes unusual outbound traffic and DNS tunneling. Strong networking knowledge is a highly valuable defensive skill. Remember the importance of packets, ports, protocols, and core services like DNS and TLS. Next up, we will cover network traffic analysis and how defenders investigate suspicious communication patterns.